welcome to my studio. Today I wanted to show you our heart-shaped templates. These have been a long time coming, and these had really took a lot of thought because most shapes of hearts, when they bring them up bigger, lose their heart shapes. But we have designed these and adjusted as we have gone, and they all fit in like a nesting egg. But as you can see, our big one has as good a heart shape as our small one. So you still have that great heart shape. They're really easy to use. You can use removable glue dots if you need to help holding them on. They're a little bit different, maybe one right there, but I can still just come in with my hand on the little bit smaller ones and just trace that right on. I'm using my white charcoal pencil, which we have at miriamjoy.com, and the small ones work the same exact way. And if you need help kind of stabilizing one, if it wiggles a little bit too much, which it does not seem to me that it is doing at all, we do have a lot of rubber in there. Just nestle the next size around it, and then you simply have the stability of a larger one, and you can trace, that sounds really awful, doesn't it, it right on, and you've got your little heart right there. We've also got our new template organizers. They're really great because I have tried a lot of different items, have not found anything that I like. You can put them on, snap them shut, and once you get them snapped shut, they're secure. You can hang them, they're up out of your way, and that is a really nice way to store them, hanging up on your wall. So make sure you check all of those items out at miriamjoy.com. Thank you, and God bless.